And can you feel the buzz and the energy in the air? The home opener OHL season is underway for the Niagara Ice Dogs. And it's the Mississauga Steelheads who will officially kick off the Darren and Michelle DeDobbler era here in Niagara. He left it for Uberti, and the ex-Ice Dogs flying in, and they score! Lavoie with an absolute howitzer to the top corner. 1-0 Steelheads.
Plan, entries and opportunity. Uberti gets a real speed going right up the middle. No one was even close to him.
He shoots one a little bit wide of the net. Aiden Castle gave the puck away to Uberti out front. They score! Right off the turnover, it's Lavoie with his second of the game, and it's 2-0 Mississauga. Cato and Zito will leave it. Copeland away with Castle, a potential break. Here's Aiden Castle. He scores! Aiden Castle halves the lead with a beautiful finish, 2-1. Callahan gave it right to Serzani. He scores! On opening night gift for Brendan Serzani, who ties the game on the power play. Got the pass though. Uberti is away with Lavoie and Hardy. Here's Jake Uberti. Hardy waiting, shooting, scores! And just like that, the 41-goal marksman James Hardy gives Mississauga the lead back. Poked in, and Serzani stole it out front. They score! Zito! Well, I think everybody froze thinking it was offside. Ice Dogs kept motoring, and Zito ties the game.
By Sharp, that goes undetected. A 2-on-1 for the Steelheads in overtime. Lavoie and Misa. Lavoie in, scores! A hat-trick goal for Lavoie, and it is over. Lavoie on opening night, and the Steelheads win.
Opening night hat trick. That's not a bad way to start off the season for Zakary Lavoie, is it?